Hey guys, I'm showing you this Poetic Revolution case for Google Pixel 8. So we get it to test and try. So let's see. It's a Pixel 8 5G 6.2 inches, and this case is actually a shockproof cover with a kickstand and a built-in screen protector. So there are two options. You can use it with or without the screen protector attachment. So I will show that to you. So this is the cover itself, and you can see a kickstand in the back. So this front insert is actually a built-in screen protector insert. So you can use this one if you want a screen protector, and the other part, like the second one, is without the screen protector. So you can just use it if you don't want a screen protector. So there is a both attachments are there, and this is a shock proof. So this is my Pixel 8. So let's put in and see how this works. So from the corners, this fits really well. You have to be careful from the bottom because there is a cover for the charging, and once it fits, it really fit well, as you can see. And from the corners, from the side, the charging, all the this cutouts are really well, not covering anything, protecting stuff. And this is a kickstand, as I mentioned. You can use it in the horizontal or the vertical way, so it will work well as a stand as well. So this is the insert without the screen protector. So if you don't want to use the screen protector, you can use this insert into the case. So from the side, corner, everything looks really nice, and there is no issue with the cover. Very protective case.